Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can clear the temporary cached files and images for your browsing history on Mozilla Firefox. So let us dive right into it, launch Firefox, and in the next step, guys, access your browser settings by clicking into these three lines here. And what you want to do, guys, is either do it through your browser settings. Alternately, you may access your browsing history directly by hovering mouse over history, click into it, and after that simply select clear recent history here, and that is going to open up that window here. So here select, for example, the time range for the browsing data you would like to delete, so it can go with the browsing data from the last 2 hours. And after that, simply select or unselect each element and make sure that this feature here, this element, temporary cached files and pages, with, you see the file size to the right, is selected. This clears items that, and so on and so forth, guys. So if you'd like to clear this, simply confirm by clicking into clear here, and that's going to do the job here. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.